What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin Locs. We back in my bathroom. One more again. I know this is a Wednesday. Again, I don't know, my schedule just gets crazy. To be honest, I don't even feel like uploading on Monday, and it's not even the whole uploading, it's the filming. So I need to get to a schedule where I'm filming before the Monday, so when Monday comes, I can just click from private to public and y'all can watch the video. Anyway, today's video is just going to be 10 simple go-to quick styles if you are late in the morning or don't have time or just want to do something very simple and you don't want to do the same thing every day. These are a few different options. So that way when you go to work, people are saying,
you wear that same hairstyle every day. Okay, a ponytail, so what's new?
Like, I ain't seen that before. When you gonna change up your hair?
So I'm just gonna give you a little ideas, some inspiration, hopefully. And you can, if you have, just a full head of locks, you can, take this and flip it how you want to. Again, it's your hair, wear it how you want to. Well, all right then, let's get into this. simple go-to hairstyles if you just, you know, want to do something quick but kind of change it up throughout your week. I mean, there's enough styles here that you can do a different style every day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If anything, these 10 styles should last you 2 full work weeks. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Anyway, but yeah, do that. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below on what your favorite hairstyle was. So which one do you pick? Did you like the high ponytail? Actually, that's one of my favorite, the high ponytail, or the side part. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the button right here on the screen at the end of the video, down below on the channel. And don't forget to follow me on different types of social media. My Instagram and Snapchat info is all down in the description box. Hit me up. Well, without further ado, I will see y'all when the next video is. Hopefully we post it on a Monday and I can get back on schedule. Y'all remember to keep it locked, okay? Peace.